Up next, you're about to face the 10 most terrifying extreme objects in the universe. Number 10. TRES 2b, the Abyss of Darkness. If you're afraid of the dark, this planet is your ultimate nightmare. It's the blackest planet humanity has ever found. Its surface reflects less than 1% of light, darker than the blackest coal on Earth. It's like a giant black hole hanging in deep space, greedily swallowing every ray from its parent star. And yet, deep inside that absolute darkness, because its surface is over 1,000 degrees, it gives off a faint, eerie, dark red glow. It's like a demon's eye, smoldering in the dark, silently staring out into deep space. Number 9. HD 189733b. From far away, it looks like a stunning blue planet, almost exactly like Earth. But fall for that disguise, and the price is total destruction. That blue isn't an ocean at all. It's silicate particles floating in the atmosphere. Here, what falls from the sky isn't rain, it's liquid glass, and even worse, because the temperature difference is so extreme. Winds here can reach 8,700 kilometers an hour, dozens of times stronger than Earth's worst typhoons. In other words, the sky full of scorching glass rain isn't falling downward, it's being hurled sideways by Mach 7 winds, like countless shotguns shredding everything on the surface. Number 8. J1407b, the Eye of the Colossus. Saturn's rings are beautiful, but what if they were 200 times bigger? J1407b is called the Super Saturn. Its ring system is enormous, about 1.2 million kilometers across, nearly the distance from Earth to the Sun. From one of its moons, to look up, to see a giant ring spanning the whole sky. When this monster crosses, its massive rings trigger an eclipse that lasts for almost 2 months. Under that sky-swallowing pressure, the human mind would snap in an instant. Number 7. WASP 12b. This is the universe's cruelest slow execution. This poor planet is so close to its parent star that its terrifying gravity is yanking it out of shape. It isn't even a sphere anymore. It's been ripped into a warped football. Its own matter is being stripped away and swallowed by the star at a horrifying 16 billion tons every second. Through a telescope, it looks like a condemned prisoner clawing at the edge of an abyss. We've even put a countdown on its death. In just a few million years, its star will tear it completely apart until not a trace is left. Number 6. PSRB 1257, the Gould system. In a normal star system, the star is the cradle of life. But here, the sun is dead. At the center sits the remnant of a wildly spinning neutron star, like an out-of-control cosmic lighthouse, blasting lethal, high-energy radiation every few milliseconds. And the strangest part is, around this corpse, 3 planets are still in orbit, bathed in death rays that could vaporize carbon-based life instantly, like ghouls circling a tombstone. In physics terms, this is an absolute dead zone. Number 5. SGR 1806-20, the Magnetar Butcher. Think, Eat and Impact are terrifying. Next to this magnetic monster, those are gentle. It has the most brutal magnetic field in the universal, 1,000 trillion times stronger than Earth. Get within 1,000 kilometers of it and you wouldn't even feel pain. Under that terrifying magnetic pull, the electron orbits in your atoms would be stretched into needle. The chemical bonds in your body collapse you'd dissolve into a cloud of subatomic mush. Life isn't killed. It's erased. From the laws of physics. Number 3. WR104, the Genesis Countdown. 8,000 light years from Earth, there's an extremely unstable Wolf-Rayet star. It's at the end of its life, ready to erupt into a monster supernova. Creepier still, as the 2 stars orbit, the gas they fling off has drawn a massive death spiral in space, and the axis at the center of that spiral is aimed almost straight at Earth. When it finally blows, a lethal gamma-ray burst could hit the solar system at light speed, like a loaded cosmic sniper rifle locked on our planet. The countdown has already begun. Number 2. Stephenson 218, the ultimate beast. There are limits to what the human mind can grasp, and this thing exists to break them. The largest star, by volume we know of, Stephenson 218 has a radius 2150 times that of the Sun. Put it at the center of our solar system, and its edge would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and even engulf Saturn's orbit. Light circles Earth in just 0.13 seconds. To circle this monster, light would need a full 9 hours. Next to it, Earth isn't even a speck of dust. Number 1. TON 618, the Undisputed King. Forget every adjective. In the face of this object, the whole universe falls silent. It's a supermassive black hole with a mass of 661 billion suns. It's so vast that even flying at light speed toward its center, you'd spend an entire week just crossing its event horizon. Around it, the accretion disk grinds, with such violence that it shines like 140 trillion suns, the brightest glare in the universe, but at the center of that blazing throne is the deepest nothingness. In existence, it doesn't just devour matter, it devours time, and space itself. It's the creator's final trump card, from superheated glass rain lashing sideways to magnetic fields that rip atoms apart in an instant. From cosmic rays ready to pull the trigger, to abyssal monsters, big enough to swallow galaxies. You see, the real universe is a hellscape of death and fury. In this vast, dark forest, brutal laws of physics are the only normal. And that's exactly why, sitting here today, breathing just right oxygen and feeling a temperature that's neither too hot nor too cold, is anything but guaranteed. It took billions of coincidences stacked together to carve out this tiny cosmic shelter. For us, Earth isn't ordinary. Statistically, it's an absolute miracle.